Okay.
Pennsylvania, operating on 162.55 megahertz with a power output of 1,000 watts on a transmitter located on the
Come on.
community tower with a broadcaster
3,
from the national
2. It stopped at. I was about to say 1. Okay.
Why is there a big purple?
Don't glitch.
Why is your face purple?
What?
Oh, your face is purple. Are you eating from
No. Do I look like I'm purple? No. Okay. Whoever is don't stand so we're gonna be going off at my house. I have a MacBook recording, so yeah.
Of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station NH35 serves the following counties in western Pennsylvania: Allegheny,
Calm down and play nice.
Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland. And northern West Virginia, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio.
You'll get copyrighted.
East Central Ohio, Columbiana County. The National Weather Service now returns to our regular broadcast.
Yippee!
Why?
The current time is 11:01 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
How do I get a glider?
Plop.